Hi friends, how are you today? Do you know what is inside our body? Is it air or no? Like a balloon inside our body, one structure is there, made up of bones. It's called skeleton. Inside a skeleton, there are many organs. Skeletons has 206 bones. I'm having 290 bones because I'm 4 years old. When I was baby, I was having 300 bones. Slowly bone joined and 300 bones become 206 bones. Skeleton protect our internal organ. With the help of bones, we can stand, walk and run. Even we can carry things. Bones are short, long, flat and irregular. Bones are hard or soft. Each bone is having different name as written in picture. This is my heart. Heart in shape, red in color. Heart is lying in the middle of the chest. It receives the dirty blood from body and pump clean blood into body. We can listen to the heart, thug 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 thug. So we can feel heart from outside. So everyone is having heart. Heart is protected by retail. This is my kidney. Red is brown in color. To be shaped. We have two kidneys. Kidney is the filter of our body, which remove waste from our body. Like pea loves water, so we need to drink lot of water to keep our kidney healthy. This is my liver, largest internal organ of my body. A clean blood, make juice for digestion, also store energy in my body. This is reddish brown in color. This is my stomach, J-shaped organ. This is like mixer grinder of the body, which break down to food into juices. It also stores food to help in digestion. This is my lungs. This is cone-shaped organ. We have two lungs. This is very soft, like sponge. It is below chest. This is filter of our body, which filter air for us and give oxygen to body. Lungs is pink in color. This is my brain. It is within the skull. This is control center of the body. We can learn, speak, can have idea, we can think, we have emotions and senses with the help of brain. This is very important part of the body. This is my intestine. We have small intestine and large intestine. Small intestine is very long. It helps to absorb all nutrients. And we have large intestine that helps in to absorb water, salt and pass waste into solid. So inside our body we have skeleton and internal organ like brain, liver, lungs, heart, kidney, stomach and intestine. Thank you.